It's not a facelift, but it can rejuvenate your look without major surgery or weeks of recovery time. It's called the lifestyle lift. And as NBC 30's Mindy Ramsey reports from Boston, it helped one woman melt away years in a matter of minutes.
Searching for younger-looking skin like the celebrities without major surgery? There's a new procedure called the lifestyle lift.
I wanted a little more youthful appearance, but I didn't want invasive surgery.
Virginia Freeman is 54 years old and just the right candidate for the lifestyle lift. She's hoping for a tighter jawline.
That was my main concern, I think, the jowl area and the droopiness.
Dr. Frank Fechner says most of his patients are between 40 and 65 years old. They're looking for results, not a long recovery.
The patients just love the fact that they are going to walk out and half an hour after we're done with the procedure, and that their recovery time is minimal.
Dr. Fechner starts out by marking a line along the ear where he will make the incision. Then he numbs that area.
A couple of little injections with a tiny, tiny needle that is hardly thicker than my hair, and that numbs up the area where we do the operation.
Fechner says after the tiny needles, Virginia won't feel any pain, and because it's a local anesthetic, she's awake the entire time.
Okay, when you turn your head over to Michelle.
Dr. Fechner makes an incision along the ear, allowing access to the muscle underneath the skin.
I'm going to place some deep, permanent sutures that will hold actually the layer of underlying muscle into place and support everything.
He pulls the skin back, getting rid of that droopy appearance.
Okay, good.
It takes just an hour to finish both sides.
Well, how was that, Virginia?
Fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, went great.
How do you feel? Nice and tight?
Yes.
Now it's time for Virginia's first look at her fresh face.
Awesome. Wow. I'm impressed.
Very good.
And it hasn't even been an hour, has it?
Virginia's daughter can't wait to see her mom's new look.
Really fabulous.
Thank you.
A 54-year-old woman who feels like several years melted away in a matter of minutes. Just an hour after the lifestyle lift, Virginia and her daughter went out to lunch. She was able to return to work just a few days later. Mindy Ramsey, NBC 30, Connecticut News.
Now, on average, the lifestyle lift costs about $3,800, and as with all medical procedures, there are health risks such as infection, and not all experts agree that this procedure will last 15 to 20 years. But because it is a new procedure, the long-term effects still remain to be seen.